Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another rack store pickup. And this time I was able to find another gem from this underrated house. If you guys remember a couple weeks back, I was able to find a fragrance from the house of Loewe, and that scent I fell in love with. Just incredible, fantastic fragrance. Now, again, another fragrance from that particular house popped up. I had to grab it. It was even cheaper than what I paid for the last fragrance I was just talking about. Scent we are talking about today is Loewe Pour Homme. And as you can see, I paid $60 from Marshall's. And this one is, I want to say, available on Marshall's website at the time of this video. I could be wrong. This is a return from the looks of it. As I've told you guys in other videos, this particular sticker is evidence that this was a return. You have your fragrance inside. And the bottle, which I really like these bottles. I love the simplicity of them. They feel really nice in hand. They're really heavy. A lot of juice inside. This is 100 ml. I like the caps, these wood caps with the Loewe design on the front or on the top. Really nice cap. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. I'm going to spray it on strip, see what I get, put it on skin, let you guys know what the notes are, and let you know if this is worth it. I love finding stuff like this at the rack store. This is why I hunt. This is why I go out there and see what I can find. So excited to try this one. Very similar atomizer on Loewe Pour Homme as on Essentia Eau de Parfum. And I can already tell you, in the air, good stuff. I mean, in the air, there is just zero harshness to this. It's super smooth. Smells very classic masculine. And that's what I'm getting off of the strip. Mossy, green, citrus, lemon. Really aromatic, really clean smelling and fresh. This is what I would imagine wearing on an Italian vacation. The Amalfi Coast. This is that in a bottle. And that's just off a strip. This is alive off of the strip. I can't wait to get this on skin. Smells of really great quality. I mean, I don't know what I would compare it to. It's, I guess, in the family of like an aromatic fougere, but with that Italian sensibility, something like an Acqua di Parma. Just really bright citrus, that oak moss, a little bit of woods. This thing is really nice. Wow. You have to like old school scents. I don't know when this scent was made. I'm going to have to check. I'll check when I check on the notes. But it has that old school vibe to it, but in the best way. It smells modern enough that it can easily be worn today, and it's a classic. Without question, it's a classic, and that's just off a strip. Let me get this on skin and take a look at the notes. The notes for Loewe Pour Homme. Top notes are lemon, basil, lavender, and tangerine. Mid notes are geranium and lily of the valley. And the base notes are oak moss, vetiver, sandalwood, and amber. So I'm definitely picking up all of it, and it's creating, again, that aromatic fougere. You have your geranium, you have your lavender, you have that citrus up top. And I think what's making this feel a bit modernized, at least in the opening, you can still get that old school vibe, but the tangerine in here is adding this sweet citrus element to it. So this is not a massively sweet fragrance by any means. It's not, but it has a slight sweetness that's different. It sets it apart from other sort of old school aromatic fougères, oak moss heavy fougères. Wow. Wow. Off of my skin, I'm getting a lot of that sandalwood, which is adding this dynamic, this dimension to this scent profile that I'm not used to. The old school Italian style fougères, I'm not used to having that creamy undertone to it. This smells incredible. This house has blown me away. I have been so I have 3 fragrances now from Loewe, all excellent, all incredible, that you don't hear talked about. Loewe Solo Platinum. I'll be sure to wear that one next week so I can talk a little bit more about that one. Loewe Essentia Eau de Parfum, which I picked up from TJ Maxx a couple weeks ago. And now Loewe Pour Homme. Super underrated house. Don't hear it talked about enough. Some of you guys in the comments mentioned Loewe Cobalt 7. That's going to be my next pickup because I believe that's their sort of modern take on a blue fragrance. Can't wait to grab that one. This was created in 1974, according to Fragrantica. This smells like it could have came out yesterday. If you're in the market for an aromatic fougere, or if you're a fan of aromatic fougères, you need to look at this one. This is an all seasons type of fragrance. You could even wear this out at night. I would say this is more suited for a summer night out versus a cold night out. But with that being said, that's really the only time I think that you might not want to reach for this is like on a cold night out. You could still wear it on a cold night out easily, but there's something just so bright and uplifting about it that is reminding me again of summertime, warm weather, Mediterranean, vacation, classic, masculine, Italian. This is, I mean, it's incredible. I'm so impressed by this scent. This house, incredible. I can't wait to explore it more. As far as longevity and projection go, it's projecting nicely. It's creating a nice little scent bubble around me. I can smell it still in the air. I will wear this week. I will discuss it more on my weekly wears video and just kind of give you a better sense of what longevity was and overall performance if anyone complimented me on it. It's not the type of scent that I would imagine would garner a lot of compliments. You really can't smell bad with this stuff on, in my opinion. It's just the DNA of the scent, the fragrance sort of profile is just classic and timeless and really every guy should own. That lemon really sticks around, but it doesn't smell like a lemon pledge or overly synthetic. It's really nice. It's bright. It smells like a lemon tree or like the rind of a lemon. Like if you cut open a lemon, it's very natural smelling. Fantastic pickup in my opinion. If you guys happen to see it in your rack store, grab it. I'm going to link it down below. As far as I know, this is pretty much widely available. It's been around since 1974 and I grabbed it at a Marshall's in 2023. So I think you shouldn't have any issue finding it online, but fantastic scent. Excited to wear this more. Loewe Pour Homme. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below. Have you tried Loewe Pour Homme? Do you own it? What are your thoughts on it? I would love to know. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.